Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to use a passive infrared sensor, or PIR sensor, with Arduino to detect motion. Whether you're building a security system or an automated lighting system, this project is a great starting point. Let's get started. A PIR sensor detects motion by measuring changes in infrared radiation in its environment. When a warm body, like a human or an animal, passes in front of the sensor, it triggers a signal. Today, we'll use this signal to light up an LED and send a message to the serial monitor. Here's what you'll need for this project: Arduino board, PIR sensor, LED, 220 ohm resistor for the LED, breadboard, and jumper wires. First, let's set up our circuit. Connect the VCC pin of the PIR sensor to the 5V pin on the Arduino, the GND pin to the GND on the Arduino, and the out pin to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. For the LED, connect its anode, longer leg, to digital pin 8, and its cathode, shorter leg, to a 220 ohm resistor. Then, connect the other end of the resistor to the GND pin on the Arduino. Give me a moment here while I assemble the circuit. Now let's dive into the code. Open your Arduino IDE and enter the following code. This line sets the PIR sensor's output pin to digital pin 2. This line sets the LED's output pin to digital pin 8. In the setup function, we initialize the PIR sensor pin as an input and the LED pin as an output. We also start the serial communication at 9600 baud. In the loop function, we read the state of the PIR sensor. If motion is detected, the sensor's output pin goes high and we turn on the LED and print "motion detected" to the serial monitor. The delay of 1 second prevents repeated detections. If no motion is detected, the LED remains off. Upload the code to your Arduino board. Once the upload is complete, open the serial monitor to see the motion detection messages. Wave your hand in front of the sensor. You should see the LED light up and the message "motion detected" appear on the serial monitor. If you don't see this, double-check your wiring and code. Great job! You've just learned how to use a PIR sensor with Arduino to detect motion. This foundational project can be expanded into more complex systems like security alarms or automated lighting. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech projects. Thanks for watching and happy tinkering!